Welcome back. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the newest collection from Buxom Cosmetics, their White Russian collection. Before I even started YouTube, I was always a fan of Buxom's White Russian full-on lip cream. Like, it is one of my favorites of all time. It's just such an iconic shade. It's a pinky nude and mixed with the plumping of their lip glosses. It is just amazing. So I was super stoked when I got the mail today and they sent me over the entire collection. It came out on the 21st of this month, but I just received it today. I know there's other YouTube videos out there already on this collection, but I wanted to share it here on my channel with you guys as well. I did create this look using all of the products in the collection, so let me share with you guys what's all in this White Russian collection. There is the White Russian Eye and Cheek palette. It retails for $39. There are two new blush shades in this palette, and I am a super fan of Buxom's blushes. They're so good, they're creamy, they're pigmented, amazing. So really excited that they threw some blushes into this eyeshadow palette. And what's really cool about Buxom's eyeshadows and blushes is that they are primer infused, so no need to use an eyeshadow primer before you use these eyeshadows because it's already built in. It's pretty cool. I've never seen any other brands do that before, so that's awesome. Also in the collection is the Wonderlust Glow Highlighter. Again, this is also primer infused. It's a really beautiful pinkish champagne highlighter. I'm wearing it right now and it is gorgeous. So I don't want to give away too much in the intro, but go ahead and keep watching the video to see me apply it. It's bomb. And the highlighter retails for $24. There's a Full Force Plumping Lipstick, and this retails for $20. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I'm always talking about these lipsticks. They are so good, you guys. They are my favorite lipstick formulas of all time. They're creamy, they're super pigmented, and then they give a little plumping action. So it's just an all-around amazing lipstick. And this is just a beautiful nude pink lipstick. I think it might be my favorite lipstick shade of all time, you guys. When I applied it, I was like, wow. And the whole reason for this collection, this is the full-on plumping lip cream in White Russian. This is what started it all for me when it came to Buxom products. I love this shade, and it's really cool because for this collection, the packaging is so beautiful, you guys. It's just this really pretty rose gold top and then the frosted bottom. It's beautiful. And the lip cream retails for $21. So if you guys want to see how I created this look using the new Buxom White Russian collection and seeing all these products in action, then just keep watching. So I'm gonna start with the shade Take a Dip. It's just like a matte, nudie, whitish color, and this is just going to prime the eyes for the rest of the shadows. And what's super cool about Buxom's eyeshadows is that they're primer infused, so there's no need to prime your eyes, which is super cool. Now for the transition shade, I'm gonna take the shade Decadent and sweep that all across my crease. Now on a flat brush, I'm gonna take the shimmer shade Indulge and sweep that all across my lid. And with the brush, it's not really showing up too well, so I'm gonna use my finger. I just feel like your finger works so good when it comes to shimmer shades. It just really warms up the eyeshadow and just makes it more creamier when applying it to your lid. To define the eye more, I'm gonna take the shade Smoke Show. It's a shimmery bronze color, and I'm going to focus that on the outer corner of my eye. I am getting some fallout from that shade Smoke Show, so I'm just gonna take a damp beauty sponge and lightly pick up the excess fallout. Now taking the darkest shade in the palette, it's called After Dark, on an angled brush, I'm gonna create a wing eyeliner with this. I love creating a wing liner with eyeshadow. I feel like it's just more soft and subtle compared to a liquid eyeliner. There's a time and a place for liquid eyeliner. I love my liquid eyeliner, but for a more softer effect, I love using eyeshadows. And I'm gonna take this shade After Dark as well and line my lower lash line with it. Now I'm gonna go into the palette and use these blush shades. I'm gonna start with Moscow, and I love Buxom's blushes. They're one of my favorite blush formulas. The scent smells like you're on vacation. They blend so easily. And because I want to use both of the blushes, I'm gonna take New York and just focus that more on the outer part of my face. These blushes are so pretty together and they go so good with this eye look. I am feeling this pinky smoky vibe going on right now. Also in the collection is this Wonderlust Glow highlighter. I've never actually tried a highlighter from Buxom before. I'm really excited to try this, and it has that same scent that the blushes have, just like you're on vacation. It smells so good. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys. This highlight is so pretty. Oh my gosh. It's really, really pretty, and I hope the camera is picking it up because it is so beautiful. And then the last two items in the collection are two lip products. I'm gonna start with the lipstick. You guys, I think I just found my favorite lip color because this is so me. I love, love, love a pinky nude, and this is so pretty. I could already feel the tingling effect happen to my lips. It's not crazy or as strong as the full-on lip creams are. It's just really subtle, but you can still feel the little tingly action going on. And of course, I have to top it off with the star of the show, the reason for this whole collection, and that is the Plumping Lip Cream. For sure feeling the tingling going on now with the lip gloss. It's a little bit more intense than the lipstick, but not anything too crazy where it's gonna like hurt your lips. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed with this whole collection. I know in the beginning of this video, I just raved how much I loved the White Russian full-on lip cream. Even before I started YouTube or all of this, all of these products I love and I would totally recommend them. I have no complaints to say about anything. I love it. Like, I would for sure give it a 10 out of 10. Go out and buy it. Get everything. It is totally worth it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you guys liked it, and I hope you have the best day ever. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out, hippies.